Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to use this free-range hen to make a smoked chicken. Man for cooking, house for eating. Without further ado, let's start to prepare the chicken. 2 tablespoons 5-spice powder and 2 tablespoons salt. Mix them well. Apply the spice mixture all over the chicken. Wrap the chicken in aluminum foil and store it in the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. After the marination, the chicken gets thoroughly rinsed with tap water. Put the chicken in the boiling water and cook about a minute. Get rid of the hair with the torch. Crystal sugar, scallion and ginger are needed to prepare the broth. Add crystal sugar to the hot oil. At this point, add scallion and ginger. Finally, add water. Put the chicken in the pot. Add the broth over the chicken. Add 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce. Add 3 tablespoons salt. Add a bag of seasoning spice. Put the lid on until it boils, then lower the heat. Because this is old chicken, it needs to be cooked up to 3 hours. This is the chicken after 3 hours cooking. Smoke, you need the rice, tea bag, and sugar. Add some sugar on the aluminum foil. Add some tea. Then add some rice. Put the foil in the wok. Then put the chicken in the wok. Put the lid on while the wok gets heated. Cook about a minute and a half after seeing the smoke come out. 3 minutes after turning off the heat, the smoke process is done. Apply sesame oil to the chicken to improve the appearance and the flavor. Here is the final product. Here's the smoked chicken I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.